Hello everyone, True here, and we're playing the Overwatches. I played a couple games last night. Let's check out my loot boxes though. Let's open this shit. See what we get. I don't know what this stuff is. Okay. Open loot box, we'll do it again. It's really loud, sorry in advance. Okay. Victory pose, preview spray, player icon. Okay, let's go back. That's just the sound. Back. Let's go options. I want to make sure I don't want overpowering this here. We'll turn this down a little bit. I won't lie, I really enjoy Overwatch. Just phenomenal game. Alright, I'm gonna play. Quick play. I'm so excited for this game when it comes out for real. It's gonna be so much fun. I already love it as is. As a shooter wise, as a fucking 6v6. How many people want versus? Continue. And I could be support. A good support. I'm all about the Mercy. Let's see, we'll look at hero details. Alright, here's Mercy. Difficulty, not difficulty. I got Resurrect, Guardian Angel, my Staff, my Buster, my Blaster, and Descent. Mercy, I like Mercy. I got mobility, I got attack empowerment, I got my own offense. I mean, to me, I don't feel like... I feel she's amazing. Oh, there's a... Oh god, I was wanting to try to get that guy. Alright. Oh shit. They have a good Widowmaker. We're gonna go right in there with Mercy. Lock in. We have no few defense heroes, no builder, no tank heroes. Each heroes have different roles they specialize in. So it's really cool. We don't have a builder. We don't need one. Alright, I don't have voice chat on, which I probably should sometimes, but... Oh. But I do need to level up. I do need to play some more. Some people are really high levels. Hopefully I do good. But Mercy's so cool. I get so excited to play her. The design's amazing for her. Gameplay is the way I like it. Oh, man. Yeah, pretty defenses. Okay. Alright. Who's that running ahead? There we go. Vulture 76. This isn't too bad of an area. Where are you building your turret at, boss? There's Roadhog. Where are you going? We got time. We got time. My ideal position is I want to be somewhere where I can get around the people. Is that a Bastion? That's solely a Bastion. I'm all for covering Bastion. Bastion is a freaking really powerful hero if left unchecked. Which, man. Alright. There we go. There's that. There comes that. There's that. Heal him up. Heal you up. I want this damage amplification. Come on, take him down. Come on, let me get to you. Let me get to you. I'll heal you up. Just give me a second. Alright. We gotta keep this up, gotta keep this up. You're fine, you're fine. Oh shit. Nice job, nice job. Get some damage out, get some damage out. So far so good. Notice like I'm doing a lot, I'm flying around, keeping people topped up. Mercy, I get little radars when people are getting low health. It notifies me, lets me know. How you doing, soldier? Soldier's good. We're all topped off. Let's get some damage boost on Bastion. Bastion's basically a fucking turret of destruction. As long as I keep him alive, he will make magic happen. Yep. I'm here. There we go, so far so good. Pulling some damage out. We're doing really good, this is going really well. There we go, get some damage, Roadhog. That's what I like to see. I don't think anyone's died, so I haven't had to use my self-rage yet. Oh shit, I'm about to die. Take cover. Shit, move. Did we lose anyone? I got nipped by it, but I almost went down. Heroes never die. I basically used it on one person just because we're not dying that often. Ouch. Come on, Bash. Don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy. Shit, don't get greedy. As long as we don't get greedy, we'll be good. Which is more than holding our own. And if I get my special up again, that'll be fucking good. Alright, see what we're doing. Roadhog's taking a lot of damage. But Roadhog gives me a lot of fucking special when I heal him, just because how much HP he has. There we go, we got our special back up. I think we did lose someone. Come on. There we go, we'll pick up all of that. Bastion might be down. Bastion's up. Oh shit. I'm getting hurt pretty good. Oh, they're pushing on us hard. Oh shit, Widowmaker finally took me down! Oh man, Widowmaker. I've been a target for a while. Oh man. I'm trying to move back and forth as much as I can, get a little dancing going on. It's gonna suck if they do get this point, because we were holding it really fucking good. Come on. Alright, they got first to pass area, which is fine, it happens. It would have been really bad for them if we ended the game that early. Let's see, we'll come up here. I want to power him up. He's got his will going. He got his ult done. I don't know if he got a kill or not. Soldier 76, you're just... I can't go out there and get you. Alright. They're guarding it pretty well. There we go. There we go. Watch out for the Widowmaker. Widowmaker's down that alley. If I pop out, she will have an angle on me. Oh, Widowmaker's right there. Heroes never die. Bring him back up. That shit took me down. I've got no health. I gotta recover. Come on, Jairoku. Stay in there. Stay in the fight. Get in the fight. Can't leave me. Don't leave me here. I need you here. Shit. There's nothing I could do. I was gonna rush down. Too many people on me. Widowmaker again, huh? Good job, Widowmaker. You've killed me twice now. Oh, man. I was pulling out my gun. I was ready to start fighting and defend myself. Alright, when we get here, this will be our main area. Make a stand would be right here. It's probably going to get to the next destination. Ooh. Alright. Shit. That's way the bad move on my part. Definitely went out way too far. Come on. Roadhog, don't die on me now. Roadhog's ton HP. He is so hard to heal. There you go. Get healed up, Roadhog. Mark this down. Let's go get him up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. This might hurt. We got Reinhardt was over here on the side. He's dangerous. Reinhardt's really dangerous. He can get a lot of people killed easily. Hey, I gotta be careful, Roadhog. You gotta watch where you're going. That Widowmaker is good. Alright. Alright, we might be able to stop it here. There we go. There we go. Go up. There we go. Roadhog, where you at? Where you at, Roadhog? Nope. I'm coming, Roadhog. I'm coming. Roadhog's good. Roadhog's good. Fucking follow Roadhog. Go make some magic happen, Roadhog. Go, Roadhog. Make magic. Drop the beat. Oh, I see ya. There we go. Woo! Victory. That's Mercy gameplay right there. I think I did okay. I died a couple times, not happy about that. Good job, Jabberwocky. What did you do? Let me see this magic. Oh shit. Took down their Pharaoh. Took down their Widowmaker. Oh shit! And was fucking shooting the Reinhardt. Nicely done. I'm surprised I didn't get something on here. But fucking Roadhog, look at that. 26% of damage taken. That's right. That's a lot of damage block too. Holy cow. I died twice. I got a ton of experience. Really disappointed. Usually I did pretty good. I only did about 7,000 healing. I did average on my resurrections. I usually average that much. But hey, that's a round. That's how it goes. Alright, that's gonna be it for this recording. I'm gonna try to keep one round each so they're not super long videos. Hope you enjoy it. If you guys do, let me know, alright? Just leave it in the comments and know, hey, we want more Overwatch, because I love playing it. Alright? I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.